Hi, I'm Jackie with Walters & Wolf Interiors, and today I'm excited to be sharing with you how we install our ExamGlide sliding door systems. We will be showing you how we install an ExamGlide system from start to finish. You ready? Let's go! First things first, you're going to want to gather and check all of your hardware pieces. Your ExamGlide should have come with 10 Z-clips, a bottom door guide, an L-clip and an end cap, a soft close with a hanger and carrier, a soft close with a soft close activator, and 2 pull handles. Additional hardware you might need to install are a privacy lock set, a drop bottom, and perimeter seals, but we'll cover that in another video. Next, you're going to want to verify your rough opening. Your standard opening should be 41.5 inches by 85 inches. Standard wall sizes that can be accommodated are 3 3/4, 5, 5 1/4, and 7 1/4 inches. If the wall width surpasses this measurement, arrange for the finishing subcontractor to address any necessary rework. Step 2. Install the case opening aluminum frame. You will be following the standard instructions for a conventional aluminum frame installation, but here's a quick review. First, slip the opening header over the drywall and tap into place. Then, holding at an angle, slip the upper portion of the case opening over the wall jamb and tap into place, making sure the jamb is plumb. Repeat these steps on the opposite jamb, then secure the frame in place using the corner clips provided. When we are sure everything's level, we anchor the jambs and header to the drywall. A screw is to be placed every 12 inches. Then, install the trim over the frame. Next, install the track filler bar. Measure the filler bar and mark where pre-drill holes will be placed. Then carefully pre-drill screw holes, making sure the holes are deep enough for the screws to be flush with the face of the filler bar. Align the filler bar with the header and screw into place. Shim track as needed so it's flush with the face of the trim. Position the track onto the header. Align the end of the track with the inside of the receiver frame leg. Mark the precise locations for notches on both the trim and filler bar. Install 6 of the 9 Z-clips provided along the header and filler bar 4.5 inches and 13.5 inches apart. Pre-drill holes for the Z-clips using an 8-inch drill bit. This is necessary for the header frame and filler bar to ensure that the screws pass through the framing backing. Proceed with installing the Z-clips. Mount track onto Z-clips and slide towards the tail end of the opening until it locks. Use non-marring rubber mallet if necessary to gently tap track into place. Position receiver post at strike jamb and mark the locations for the Z-clips on the trim. Then install 3 Z-clips in their specified locations. Slide the post receiver onto the Z-clips. Make sure the receiver slides down and touches the floor. Present the receiver channel onto the receiver post and mark the center of the holes with a pencil. Pilot drill with 1/8-inch drill bit, then fill in with screws. Slide soft opener onto track, then screw the hanging device onto the soft opener, securing the hanging device to the desired level. Then install the end cap by screwing it into place. If a threshold is specified, secure the threshold to the floor using screws. Hang the door onto the track. Insert hanger into the door. Then secure the bottom guide to the threshold or floor. Remove the leading edge hanger. Close the door, mark the edge of the door on the tail end. Then install the bottom guide. Next, lift door and set it onto the guide and reattach hanger. After you're done, inspect the door and make sure everything is aligned. There should be even spacing on the bottom of the door and the side. Make sure the door completely closes, leaving no gaps. Finally, screw on the door handles using the assembly parts provided. And there you have it! The ExamGlide is fully installed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.